thunderbird or a hummingbird, is it? Yeah, hummingbird just came and hit the water behind there too. I have a feeling that that pool is going to be very popular. You want to watch that pool for that hummingbird. It may come back. It could have been a blue-throated golden-tail. Yeah, it's back. No, it's a striped-throated hermit. Just above the
how cool was that?
Boom. Hit the water and tail.
She's still, that other bird's still there, right?
Yes, she's,
It just has a really long bill and a very short tail, and it'll pump the tail. Sometimes they'll even walk on the ground like a crate.
Oh, is that?
It's a chestnut sighting.
Yeah, it's a chestnut sighting, yeah.
Probably the toughest of all the wrens in the country to get. And he's the one doing that whistling just to your right over here. So maybe let's do it like this. Let's turn this way.